the bush. It go right in here like this. Like this, and go in here. See this one? 2 wire. One is this one, one is this one. This one goes right in here. This one goes right in here. You can see here like this. This wire go right in here like this. So when I put it, then I'll be back. Okay, this is now this is the one I place it, and the other one this go right in here. This is the bush, goes in here. That's the way you change this now. Is okay. You place it right in here. Then one is here, one is here. This wire goes in here, and the other wire, this one, goes in here. That's it. And now you close it up. Now you close the screw here. Close the screw, all of them. You see, now it's ready. This is closed, this tight. Everything is tight. Make sure this is tight. Everything. Now you plug it in there, and you see this one right in here. Now you see. Now you can see it. It's ready. So now this way you can just flip here, and this one go just like this. This way you can. Hey, this way. Straight in here. With one hold. With one hand I can't hold it. Okay. Now it's ready to go. See you again.